what is a text field in SwiftUI? So what I want to do is add the logic for this change value button, which will allow the user to change the main value for my app. And for this, I had a button and just an HStack and stuff, and this was all good for the UI, but for the logic, I'm going to be needing a text field. And so what a text field does is it allows you to get in some input from the user. And specifically for this text parameter, I'm binding a @state variable that I made at the top called main value variable, and this variable has to be of type string. And for the prompt, I'm just adding in the current main value. And so what we're doing by binding this variable is that when somebody clicks this text field, the keyboard is going to pop up. And then whatever value the user types in, that value is going to be assigned to the variable that we have binded in the text view. So without further ado, let's jump into the simulator. And you can see how this looks. We definitely need to add more formatting and things, but if the user clicks it, then we get this number pad. And the main issue with this number pad is that there's no submit button. So normally, like on the keyboard, there's a return at the bottom right corner, and once the user clicks that, the keyboard will go away. But here we manually need to add a save button so that the keyboard gets dismissed. And we're going to be jumping into how to do all that in the next reel. Happy coding!